Good morning, children. Are you ready for today's class? Yes. So, before we start our today's class, shall we write a small test, children? Yes. I hope you're all prepared for your test, isn't it? Yes. So, now take your English test note, take a new page, then sharp your pencil. At the top, write the lesson name. Then, at the corner, write today's date. Then from first line, start writing. Now the question is choose and write the correct word. Okay. Here the first question is Gopi pulled the green or red box that we have learned in previous class. Not that one. Do you remember that, children? Yes. So in these two options, which is correct one? You have to choose and write in this 4 lines. Got it, children? Then, if you finish the first question, then leave one line. Third line, write question number 2. And the question is Gopi and mom go to the dash market or park. If you know the answer, write in this 4 line. If you finish that, then leave one line. Write the third question. Gopi wants an orange or an apple. Write in this line. Then the fourth question is Mom wants a brown puppy or black puppy. Choose and write the correct word in this 4 lines. Now, these 4 questions you have to write it in your test note. After that, show to your parents. They will correct your note. Then keep your note as safe. Got it, children? Yes. Now, this is time to revise that we learned in previous class. What we learned in previous class? Not that one, isn't it? So, now we are going to revise the lesson.
It was a holiday. Gopi wanted to do something.
Mom, what is in that green box?
Mom was reading. Gopi put a stool over a chair. He climbed up to get the box down.
No, not that one. All these boxes will fall on our heads, Gopi.
Gopi was angry with his mother.
Come, let's go to the market. I will get you something.
Yes, we will.
They went to the market. Gopi was still angry.
I want that one.
No, not that one. The fruits will fall down.
I want that book.
No, not that one. The books will fall down.
I want that one.
No, not that one. All my samosas will fall down.
He was now in a very, very bad mood.
I want that one.
No, not that one. The flowers will fall down.
By now, Gopi was crying loudly. Everyone was looking at Gopi.
I want that one, the black one.
What was the black one?
No, not that one.
Let's take this brown one.
Mom smiled. Gopi was smiling too. He was happy.
Children, now let's warm up. Now I'm going to play one video. Just watch the video. After that, I'm going to ask question. So listen to this carefully, children.
Oh yeah. Now listen up. Pronouns take the place of nouns. I, he, she, we, they, you, it. Sally baked cupcakes. Sally gave me one. Sally baked cupcakes. She gave me one. The pronoun she takes the place of the noun. Sally. Liz and Ray play tag. Liz and Ray had fun. Liz and Ray play tag. They had fun. The pronoun they takes the place of the nouns. Liz and Ray.
So children, now in this video what do you learned? Yes, pronouns. What are all the pronouns? Tell me. I, you, he, she, it, and they. Now tell me once again. Repeat after me. I, you, we, he, she, it, and they. Now tell me, children, how many pronouns are there? Yes, there are 7 pronouns. I, you, we, he, she, it, and they. There are 7 pronouns, isn't it? So children, in this today's class, we are going to learn a new topic, which means how to use I am, you are, we are in a sentence. Got it, children? Shall we move now? Yes. Children, in today's class, we are going to learn about pronouns. Got it, children? Shall we move now? Yes. First, we think we should know what is pronoun. Do you understand, children? A pronoun is a word that takes the places of a noun in a sentence. A pronoun is a word that takes the places of a noun or nouns in a sentence. This is called pronoun. So, pronoun takes the place of nouns. Now, let's see with the example. Mr. Mohan is a bus driver. Now see this picture. Who's this? He is Mr. Mohan. Got it, children? He is Mr. Mohan. Mr. Mohan is a bus driver. Mr. Mohan drives children to school every day. Mr. Mohan drives children to school every day. Mr. Mohan is a jovial man. So, in this place, which is noun, children? Yes, Mr. Mohan. This is noun. So, let's see. Pronoun takes the place of noun, isn't it? Pronoun takes the place of noun. So, in this 3 sentences, Mr. Mohan is noun. Now, let's see. How the pronoun takes the place of nouns. In this 3 place, Mr. Mohan is noun. Now let's see. First, Mr. Mohan is a bus driver. Then he drives children to school every day. He drives children to school every day. He is a jovial man. Now, children, in these 3 sentences, in previous slide we have learned Mr. Mohan is a bus driver. Mr. Mohan drives children to school every day, and Mr. Mohan is a jovial man. Like that, we have seen, isn't it? But in the slide, Mr. Mohan is a bus driver, and instead of Mr. Mohan, here they have given he. Why they have given he? Because pronoun takes the place of nouns. So in this place, Mr. Mohan is a bus driver. So first we have to mention Mr. Mohan's name. And the next sentences, in the next sentence, instead of noun, pronoun takes the place. He is pronoun, isn't it? Yes. So instead of Mr. Mohan, here they have given he. And in this third place also, they have given he. Do you understand, children? Yes. Pronoun takes the place of nouns. So instead of noun, here they have given pronoun, which is he. They have given. Now, do you understand, children? Yes. Now, next one, let's see the words of pronoun. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These are pronouns that comes in the naming part of a sentence. So, where we should use these words? Naming part of a sentences, we have to use this pronouns. Got it, children? Yes. Now let's see what is noun first. A noun has two types. One is singular and another one is plural. Now tell me, children, how many types of nouns? One is singular and another one is plural. In singular, I, you, he, she, it. These pronouns are called singular. Got it, children? I, you, he, she, it. These are all called singular. Then let's see what are all plurals. You, we, and they. These three words are plural. Now, can you guess one word in these two types? Yes, you. It's in singular and also plural also, isn't it? Now let's see why. The pronoun you is used for both singular and plural nouns. Why we are using singular and plural? Let's see with an example. Now see this picture. The boy is playing with his pet, isn't it? So here the example. Do you have a pet? Here, do you. You is pronoun, isn't it? Do is pronoun and singular. In this place, singular they have given. Got it? Do you have a pet? Here, which means do you, only one person, have a pet? And does it play with you? So in this, they are asking only one person. Like, I'm asking Sharma, do you have a pet, Sharma? Does it play with you? I'm asking only with Sharma. Okay. So, do you have a pet? In this place, only one person I'm asking. Got it, children? Only one person means singular. So, do you have a pet? In this place, you is using singular person. And does it play with you? It's also singular person. And next, let's see plural example. Now see this picture. How many of them? There are 4 students, isn't it? 4 members. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 persons Let's see with an example. It is an important game. You must play as a team. In this place, you is plural because we have learned in first lesson what is singular and plural. Singular means only one, whereas plural means more than one. So in this place there are four members. So you is pointing out these four members. So in this place plural you is mentioning, and you must play as a team. You is pointing out these four members. So now do you understand, children? In the previous slide only one member pointing out. Do you have a pet? Only one, Sharma or Sai Durga, like that. And in this place they are mentioning four members, so plural, more than one. So plural. And next, now let's come with the today's topic, am, is, or. Now we are going to see where we are going to use am, is and or. Let's see. Now am, am. Repeat after me, children. Am. Am is used with the pronoun I, where we are using I. So am is used with the pronoun I. So I means nanu. I means me, nanu. Like if you said you, I means nanu. So in this place the boy is also I and the girl also I. So am is used with the pronoun I. Let's see with an example. Here this girl is telling I. I means nanu. So I am a girl. She is telling I am a girl. And in this sentence, instead of I am, instead of am, they are mentioning apostrophe and am. So I am a girl and am a girl. Like this, the short form of am is apostrophe am. This is the short form of I am. Got it, children? Yes. And next, the boy is telling I am a boy. I am a boy. In this place, I am. So we are using we are using am with the pronoun I. Isn't it? Yes. So I am a boy and the short form of I am is am, a boy. And next, see this picture. What is this? Yes, this is a cat, isn't it? So now the cat is telling I am a cat. What is that? I am a cat. And the short form of I am is am. I am a cat. So next we are going to see is. 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 So is used with the pronoun he, she, it. I is used with the pronoun he, she, it. He, she, it. Now is used with the pronoun he, she, it. Now am is used with the pronoun I. Yes, very good, children. And next is used with the pronoun he, she, it. These three pronouns we have to use is. Got it, children? Now let's see with the examples. Now see this picture. The boy is he. So he is a boy. Now in this sentence, he is. Is a pronoun. So he is a boy. The short form of is he is a boy. This is the short form of he is. And next, he. He is my father. He is my father. And the short form of is he is my father. He is my father and he is my father. This is the short form of is. And next, let's see she. She is a girl. She is my mother. The short form of she is my mother. She is my mother, whereas she is my mother. This is the short form of is. And next, she is a girl. She is a girl. And the short form of she's a girl. Next, let's see it. The dog is it. So, it is a dog. The short form of it is it's. Repeat after me. It's. It is a dog. It's a dog. And see this picture. This is a cot bed, isn't it? So, here it. It is a dog. It is a bed. And it's a bed. Like this, it will come. So, do you understand, children? Shall I repeat once again? So, am is used with the pronoun I and is used with the pronoun he is, she is, it is. Like that, it will come. So, is used with the pronoun he, she and it. He, she, it. Got it, children? Yes. Now let's see are. Are is used with the pronoun you, we, they. Are is used with the pronoun you, we, they. In this picture, the boy is pointing out the another boy, you. This is you example. And we means both members. We are, like that. And they, the man is pointing out this man and women. So they are, like that. Got it, children? So in this place, are is used with the pronoun you, we, they. You are, we are, they are. Like that, it will come. Let's see with an example. Now in this place, the boy is pointing out the another boy, you. You are happy. You are happy. And the short form of you are is you apostrophe re. Instead of a, they are given apostrophe. And next, you are a boy. The girl is telling to the boy, you are a boy. So in this place, the pronoun is used with are. So the short form of you are is you are a boy. This is the short form of you are. And next, we are going to see we. Now see this picture. The both members are telling we are. They are telling we are friends. We are friends. And the short form of we are is we We are. And next, see this picture. We, the example is we are brothers. And the short form of we are brothers. Next, let's see they. Now see this picture. Now we'll tell what they are doing. They are playing, isn't it? So now we are using this in the sentence. They are playing. So the sentence is they are playing. And the short form of they are is they are playing. And now see this picture. What they are doing. In this sentence also, what they are doing. In this sentence also, I am using they are. They are doing. Now, you are telling they are having fun. And the short form of they are having fun. So, are you clear now, children? So, in today's class, what we learned? We have learned about pronoun and where we are using am, is, are, isn't it? Yes. So, now tell me children, this is recap time. Now I am going to ask question and you have to answer me. Now how many types in pronoun? How many words? I, you, we, he, she, it and they. How many? There are 7. Yes, very good. Now, what is pronoun, children? Tell me. A pronoun is a word that takes the places of a noun in a sentence. I repeat, a pronoun is a word that takes the places of a noun in a sentence. Got it, children? Yes. And now, where we are using noun, pronoun takes the place of nouns. Pronoun takes the place of nouns. The pronoun is takes the place of nouns. For example, Mr. Mohan is a bus driver and Mr. Mohan drives children to school every day and Mr. Mohan is a jovial man. Instead of Mr. Mohan, first we have to use Mr. Mohan. Then the other two sentences we have to, instead of nouns, we have to use pronoun. Mr. Mohan is he, isn't it? So we are using he. He drives children to school every day and he is a jovial man. Like that we have to use. So now children, how many nouns, how many types in noun? There are 2 types. One is singular and another one is plural. Now tell me, what are all the singular? I, you, he, she, it. These 5 are singular. Then plural, you, we, they. These 3 plural. In this place we are using you is used for both singular and plural. And we have seen the examples also, isn't it? Yes. Now let's come with am, are and is. Am, is, are. Now am is used with the pronoun I. Where we are using am is used with the pronoun I. I am. I am a girl. I am a boy. I am a cat. Like that we are using. I am only one place. I am. We are using am. And is used with the pronoun where we are using is he, she, it. These three places we are using he, she, it. These three places we are using is. He is, she is, it is. This is, see this picture, he is, she is, and it is. Now let's see with an example this one. He is a boy, she is a girl, and it is a goat. Like that we are using is, isn't it? Yes. And next are, where we are using are. Are is used with the pronoun you, we, they. You are, we are, and they are. You are, we are, they are. Now see this picture. You are. The boy is pointing out another boy. You are happy. We are friends. They are brothers and sisters. They are brothers and sisters. Now children, this is time to assist yourself. So now everyone take page number 116. Take page number 116. 116. Have you taken? Yes. Now in this place, the question is, fill in the blanks with am or. Take your term 1 book, children. Term 1 English book. Take page number 116. Got it? Yes. Now let's see. The question is, fill in the blanks with am or. Now here they have given few questions. In this we have to find out whether it is am or are. So see this picture. The boy is telling I. I after I is used with, am is used with pronoun I. So here what will come, children? I am a boy. The boy is telling I am. So I am. Am. In this 4 lines you have to write am. Am. And next one, the boy is pointing out the girl. You. You means are is used with the pronoun you, isn't it? So in this pronoun what will come? You are a girl. You are a girl. So in this 4 lines you have to write A-R-E, are. I repeat once again, children. A-R-E, are. In this 4 lines write are. And next, see this picture. The girls are telling we, after we, what will come, children? Yes, we are sisters. So in this 4 lines also you have to write we are, A-R-E, are. In this 4 lines write are. And you are girls. So you are. I repeat once again, children. I am a boy. I am a boy. You are a girl. We are sisters. And you are girls. Have you finished, children? Shall we move to next slide? Yes. And children, this is your today's homework. Now everyone take page number 124. 1 to 4. 124. Take 124 page number, children. This is your today's homework. The question is, fill in the blanks with am or. In previous assessment sheet we have done also, isn't it? Like that you have to finish this. Got it, children? The same way. Who are you? And the cat is telling I means I am. Yes, am will come. I am a cat. And the cat is telling you are a dog. You means or will come. The pronoun after you or will come. And yes, we are dogs. And you are cats. We are all friends. Yes. So finish this page as your homework. Got it, children? Yes, this is your today's homework. I hope you all enjoyed today's class. Now this is time to end of the class. Thank you, children.